Workspace ONE delivers a modern, seamless approach to endpoint management. Using Workspace ONE, IT can easily onboard Windows systems over the air with zero-touch enrollment, simplify lifecycle management with features such as baseline configuration, automate patch rollouts, and simplify app management. Getting Windows devices up and running is easy. There's no more time on wasted manual configurations. With dropship provisioning, you can assign device apps and configurations, so when an employee boots up for the first time, they can start working in minutes. Workspace ONE is designed for true multi-tenancy. You can create organizational groups to manage all levels, from uniform global deployments to customized settings for smaller groups. With role-based access, you can grant specific levels of management capabilities to individuals or groups, separated by region, division, level, and more. Simply create a role and assign the appropriate level of access. From this console, your admin team can manage and see all endpoints, including device details such as antivirus and BitLocker status, and device info like organization and smart groups. Create, customize, and enforce policies with Workspace ONE. You can configure Windows devices and assign group policies, with the ability to apply them from the cloud. In this view, you can see the total number of devices with a specific policy applied. You can also view the compliance status of all Windows systems, pinpointing which devices need to be brought up to date. Because Windows updates occur on a frequent and dynamic basis, it's difficult to ensure all systems are compliant. With Workspace ONE, you can control when and how devices get updated. For example, you can define a Windows profile, name it Windows Updates, assign devices, and select Windows Updates from the list on the left. In the menu, you can assess installations, reboots, deferrals, and notifications. Once a profile has been added, you can look at any device it was assigned to and see the patch status and install date. The Enterprise App Repository simplifies application delivery and management. Here you see a list of applications available that you can deploy in one click. You can search by language or architecture, or you can type in the search field. When adding an application, the install and uninstall commands are automatically added. Then you can assign the application to appropriate devices via your assignment groups. Across device enrollment, lifecycle management, app management, and more, Workspace ONE elevates your Windows modern management.